Hello, welcome back to my channel. Woo, it's been a while, but I'm here again, and today we are doing a DIY. Woohoo! So as you guys know, I have two kids. One of them really likes helping in the kitchen, which I'm so thankful for. At least one does something. But anyway, it's not like, yeah, they're not old enough, but he really enjoys being with me while I cook and clean, and always wants to like be around saying mama every single minute, which I love so much. And I decided to buy something that is mostly used in the Montessori system. I don't want to say Montessori because I don't do Montessori with my kids. It's yeah, but for most parents who do Montessori know about it. But also, if not, maybe you can always just buy it for your kid. But I just want to tell you guys, it's actually really expensive. So because of that, I looked up how I can make it myself, which is way cheaper, and it costed less than 50 euros. Like, this is not a cheat. But since it's a DIY, I have to do it alone, and that's why we've come to this video. So the end result, I don't know what it's gonna be like, but this is the package. I bought it from IKEA. I hope it's the whole package because I bought two separate things. I don't know if they pack them together. But yeah, let's open it with you guys, and then just took a shower and we're almost done. This is the end product. So only this part left, and then we start with the other one. So let's continue. The Odva stool. Yeah, it's just simple like a normal stool. I just have to do it like this. So I'll forward the video so that it goes faster. It's supposed to be like this for a normal stool, but because I'm not making a normal stool, I'm making a learning tower for the boys. This is where now the real DIY comes in, because putting it together is not that hard. You also have the instructions with the, like, I got instructions from IKEA, so it's not so hard. So the thing is, now you notice one piece of wood is missing. Let me just show you. This is like, there's one supposed to be here, this one here, this one here, and one is supposed to be on the front, but it's missing because, like I said, it's a learning tower and not a sitting stool. And now what we actually need is now this board. This board usually goes on top, but now it's not going to go on the top, it's actually going to go on the bottom. So this is a normal stool. Instead of it going here, it's gonna go here. It's gonna be reversed. It's gonna be reversed. So the actual thing is gonna be like this. This is where the baby comes in, stands here. This size to protect him from falling, because it's actually a really high place. And with that, we just have to screw the four sides down here. After screwing the four sides, I'll just show you what it's gonna show. upside down. I hope you guys get it. This is where the board was supposed to be, but now the board is on the leg side of the thing. And now this is when we take our other, it's not breadcrumb, this is when we take this other piece and place them together. It's obviously has a space about an inch, if I might say. It has an inch of space left, which isn't so bad, but I'm just to be on the safe side, I'm going to place it that as you can see, this is the stepper where the toddler is going to step onto. And since we left this space here, this is where the toddler is going to bend a little and then step on here while helping you do stuff in the kitchen. These are just for support. As you know, sometimes they lean on stuff, which is better being safe than not at all. Now I'm going to screw on the tops. Guys, oh my god, just look at this. Look what I made. I'm so proud of myself. Can't wait for my babies to try it. As you can see over here, I left some nails because they're a bit hard for me to put in, even with the electric whatever. So I'm going to let Papa come and finish it for me, but it's turned out so good, like I can't even. And then I'll show you when the boys are on top of it, so that you see. I'm really sure if I should paint it white, because white, you see all the dirt when it's white. But if I can, what is it called, it's like a wood furnish thing, just or just leave it wood, I don't know, I'm not sure. But yo, I'm excited. I've saved a lot of money. I've done it myself, apart from the nails that I have to screw in, which are a bit hard, and I'm also so tired. But yeah, the finished product you guys have seen, and I'm excited about it. I'm excited about the boys using it already, and I'm so proud of myself. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys, instead of wasting so much money, you can just buy these two pieces and put them together to make a very nice kitchen helper, or whatever it's called. Yeah, but I'm excited. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video of me being, whoa, the woman, the strong woman. I don't know. Yeah, I wasn't even strong. But yeah, so see you in my next video. Bye. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. If you watched up to here, tell me what you think, because you can even Google how much these things cost. You'll see for yourself. So tell me what you think about it, and please do it if you have kids. If you don't, you can do it for your nephew, your niece, and all that. But thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time in my next video. Tell a friend to subscribe. Bye. Have a nice evening, night, wherever you are. See you later.